5 shocking reasons she no longer wants to have sex with you. What if I told you the real reason she's pulling away in the bedroom isn't about her at all, but about you? Most men assume a woman's loss of sexual desire is just one of those things. But the truth is, there are hidden triggers silently killing her attraction. And the worst part, you might be making these mistakes without even realizing it. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 shocking reasons she no longer wants to have sex with you. And trust me, number 4 is something no one talks about, but it's destroying your attraction. If she's been distant, uninterested, or always not in the mood, stay tuned. Because understanding these reasons could be the key to making her crave you like she did in the beginning. 1. You've stopped triggering her dopamine responses. Desire isn't just about physical attraction. It's a cocktail of brain chemistry, emotions, and experience. If she's lost interest in sex, one of the most shocking reasons could be that you've stopped triggering her dopamine responses. Dopamine is the feel-good neurotransmitter that fuels excitement, anticipation, and pleasure. When you first got together, everything was new: spontaneous dates, passionate makeouts in unexpected places, risky flirtation, teasing texts, unexpected touches that sent shivers down her spine, and the thrill of the unknown. But over time, if things have become predictable, routine, or worse, downright dull, her brain stops associating you with that intoxicating rush. Studies show that 80% of women feel a stronger sexual pull when their partner introduces novelty, unpredictability, and just the right amount of emotional tension. If she knows exactly how every night is going to end, same old dinner, same old conversation, same old half-hearted attempt at foreplay, you're not just boring her body, you're boring her brain. And once her brain checks out, her desire follows. Want to reignite the fire? Shake things up. Surprise her, tease her, introduce unpredictability, and remind her why she once craved you like an addiction. 2. You're emotionally reactive. Here's a hard truth. If you can't control your emotions, you're turning her off. Women may love passion, but they lose respect and desire for men who crumble under pressure or react impulsively. In fact, 90% of women admit they lose attraction when their partner becomes emotionally reactive, insecure, or needy during arguments or stressful situations. When you lash out, sulk, or let your emotions control you, you're broadcasting weakness, and nothing kills a woman's sexual desire faster. She wants to feel safe in your presence, to know that no matter how chaotic things get, you're unshakable. It's not about being emotionless, it's about having the emotional maturity to hold your ground without losing control. The next time she challenges you or tests your patience, don't explode or shut down. Stay calm, hold eye contact, and speak with quiet confidence. If she throws an emotional curveball, meet it with composure, not desperation. This doesn't just apply outside the bedroom. It carries over when things heat up. A man who's grounded and in control is intoxicating. When she feels your strength, not just physically but emotionally, it pulls her closer, ignites her trust, and makes her want to surrender to you completely. Master your emotions, and you master her desire. 3. You've let yourself go. It might sting to hear, but physical attraction does matter, more than you might think. For 78% of women, watching their partner gain significant weight or stop caring about their appearance leads to a noticeable drop in sexual desire. It's not just about looks, it's about what your body signals. When you let yourself go, it can come across as laziness or a lack of self-respect, and nothing kills attraction faster than complacency. Remember how confident you felt when you were in shape, taking pride in how you looked? That energy was magnetic. It's time to reclaim it. Hit the gym, clean up your diet, and put effort into how you present yourself. When you feel better about your body, she'll feel better about touching it. Attraction is fueled by effort. When you invest in yourself, you become the kind of man she can't keep her hands off. She fell for the man who put in effort, who took pride in himself, who had the stamina to take charge in and out of the bedroom. If that man is gone, her attraction might be too. The fix? Get back in the gym, clean up your diet, wear clothes that make you look and feel good, and carry yourself with the confidence of a man who knows he's desirable. When you start feeling sexy again, she just might too. 4. You've become a nice guy, and it's killing her attraction. Being nice isn't sexy, being a man is. If you've slipped into the nice guy trap, always agreeable, overly accommodating, and afraid to rock the boat, you're quietly draining her sexual attraction. Women aren't turned on by men who seek approval or tiptoe around their desires. What truly ignites their passion? Dominance, confidence, and assertiveness. Biology doesn't lie. Research shows that women's testosterone levels, yes, women have it too, spike when they're around men who display alpha traits like taking charge, making decisions, and setting boundaries. When you stop leading and start asking, "Is this okay?" With every move, you're killing the very tension that fuels her desire. She wants a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to take it. Next time you're together, stop waiting for her to make the first move. Kiss her like you mean it, and tell her exactly what you're going to do to her. Confidence is an aphrodisiac. Use it. 5. You're too emotionally neutral. You might think staying calm, steady, and unbothered makes you more attractive, but here's the truth. If you're emotionally flat, she stops feeling anything at all. Women are emotional creatures. They crave polarity, that electric push-pull dynamic where your energy stirs something deep inside them. When you're too neutral, never showing excitement, passion, or even a little fire during a disagreement, she starts feeling disconnected and, eventually, turned off. In fact, 92% of women report feeling stronger sexual desire when their partner's emotions create that spark, whether it's through playful teasing, intense passion, or even a heated but respectful argument. She doesn't want a man who's emotionally numb. She wants to feel your presence, your desires, your raw, unfiltered masculinity. Let her see your excitement when you're around her. Don't be afraid to voice your opinions, challenge her ideas, or show her how much you want her. Next time you're in bed, don't just go through the motions. Tell her exactly how much she turns you on, growl in her ear when she drives you wild, and let her feel your hunger. Emotion is the fuel of desire. When you hold it back, you're starving her attraction. Conclusion. Here's the bottom line. If she's lost interest in sex, it's not random. Every shift in her desire is a response to something, and the power to change it is in your hands. By triggering her dopamine, mastering your emotions, taking care of yourself, reclaiming your dominance, and bringing emotional intensity back into the relationship, you can flip the script and become the man she craves again. Don't settle for a sexless relationship. Take action, reignite the spark, and watch how quickly her desire for you comes rushing back. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with the reason that surprised you the most. Stay tuned, because there's always more to learn when it comes to keeping the fire alive.